Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. Here's my take on Fiverr Pro, the premium freelance platform. In this video, we'll delve into Fiverr Pro, a specialized section of the Fiverr platform catering to businesses and individuals seeking top-tier freelance talent. Fiverr Pro offers a curated selection of highly skilled professionals rigorously vetted by Fiverr. This premium service connects businesses, startups, and entrepreneurs with exceptional freelancers for critical projects. Whether you need a striking brand identity, a cutting-edge website design, compelling content creation, innovative marketing strategies, or other specialized services, Fiverr Pro boasts a diverse pool of experts. Unlike the standard Fiverr marketplace, Fiverr Pro guarantees a higher caliber of freelancers. Each professional undergoes a thorough vetting process, ensuring expertise, professionalism, and reliability. This rigorous selection process provides peace of mind, knowing you're connecting with proven talent. One of Fiverr Pro's most compelling features is its user-friendly interface. Navigating the platform is intuitive and straightforward. You can easily browse freelancers by category, specific skills, and client reviews. Each freelancer's profile showcases a detailed portfolio, transparent pricing structure, and client ratings, simplifying the process of finding the perfect match for your project requirements. From custom logo design and SEO-optimized content to intricate app prototypes, Fiverr Pro offers a vast array of services. Fiverr Pro prioritizes efficiency and quality. Turnaround times are generally faster thanks to the professionalism of the freelancers. The platform also provides dedicated support to swiftly resolve any issues that may arise. This makes Fiverr Pro an excellent choice for businesses facing tight deadlines or undertaking high-stakes projects where quality is paramount. Effective communication is crucial for successful projects. Fiverr Pro facilitates structured communication between clients and freelancers through its integrated messaging system. This allows for seamless discussion of project details, feedback exchange, and ensures your requirements are clearly understood and met. Furthermore, Fiverr Pro offers a secure payment system, releasing funds only upon your complete satisfaction with the delivered work. In conclusion, Fiverr Pro is an ideal solution for anyone seeking premium, reliable freelance services without the burden of extensive vetting. It grants access to elite talent across various industries, saving you valuable time and ensuring top-quality results. If you're looking for a platform to elevate your projects, Fiverr Pro is definitely worth exploring. Check out the links in the description to learn more about Fiverr Pro and discover the perfect professional for your next project.